Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dima Musrah from Gaza City, the coordinator for Alkhidmat Foundation here in Gaza. As we see, we are in one of the last farms here in Gaza because of this brutal genocide on Gaza City. We lost most of our animals and there is no meat in the whole Gaza City. So Alkhidmat decided to do something for Eid al-Adha because it's have just a few days before it's coming, and inshallah we will do something to help these people that they don't have a meat and to see their smiles. Inshallah this will make a big impact for them. Thank you Al-Khidmat so much.